Okay, number 13. What is the relationship between the independent and dependent variables in the scatter plot shown before, or below, sorry. What we really want to know is whether or not the correlation is positive or negative. Since the graph is going up and to the right, means the hours of sleep, as those hours of sleep increase, so do the test scores increase. Hint, hint for students out there, as your hours of sleep increases, your test scores increase. I guess that'd only be to some point, because if you slept like 18 hours a day, you probably would not have good test scores. But for this graph, it's going upwards, so we have let's try to write here. We have a positive slope, a positive correlation. And then the question is whether it is strong, weak, or moderate. It seems like all the points are pretty close to the line. Not extremely close to the line, so I wouldn't call it strong. I would call it moderate. A weak correlation means a correlation is almost hard to see, or it'd be very difficult to make a prediction. This would be difficult to make a prediction, but like we could say if you got at least 8 hours of sleep, you got at least an 85% on the test. There isn't some value really low after you got 8 hours of sleep. So I would say that there's a moderate correlation for this one.